Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to take a look at the buy box optimizer and how you can use it to maximize your profits when you hold the buy box. To bring up the optimizer, you need to open a repricing rule. Do this by going to Repricing Rules on the left hand side, then opening the rule you desire to look at. You'll find the optimizer on the Advanced Options tab. Just scroll down to the Scenarios section. In the Scenarios section, you'll find the If Buy Box Winner section. This scenario gives you 4 options that you can use. The first, Normal, basically means that nothing different will happen if you have the buy box. You'll just reprice as you normally do. The second, Upwards, means that you will not reprice down if you have the buy box, but you will reprice up if you need to. The last option, Stop, Do Not Reprice, basically does what it says on the tin. You won't reprice if you hold the buy box. The option we're looking for though is the optimizer. Let's click on it now. Please note that the buy box optimizer is available on our ultimate plan and higher. How the optimizer works is it increases your price periodically when you have the buy box. This allows you to slowly edge up the profit you make without suddenly pushing your price up. You can choose how much you want to increase it by, either a value or percentage, and also you can choose how often it does this. This is definitely a feature you should consider using if you have strong feedback and are a strong competitor for the buy box. The optimizer is just one of many features that we have in Repricer.com to make your repricing as effective as possible. Please do explore some of the other videos we have available which show you some of these other options. If you haven't signed up a free trial yet, we have a 14-day free trial available with Repricer.com. Or you can set up a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day!